Topic sentence. Why I love my family. I love my family because they make me feel happy and loved every day. They support me in everything I do and always encourage me to follow my dream. My family make me laugh with their jokes and funny stories. We share meals, play together, and talk about our day. Even when we have disagreements, we always make up and show that we care for each other. I know that no matter what happens, my family will always be there for me. And that makes me feel safe and loved. Topic sentence. Why my family is special. My family is special because they are always there for me. We love spending time together, whether it's playing games, watching movies, or going on trips. My parents take care of me and teach me important lessons, like how to be kind and helpful. My siblings are my best friends, and we have fun playing and laughing together. We also celebrate holidays and birthdays, making them extra special with family traditions. I feel lucky to have a family that loves and supports me. Topic sentence. How my family helps me. My family helps me in many ways. My parents help me with my homework, making sure I understand my lessons and encouraging me to do my best. When I'm feeling sad or worried, they listen to me and make me feel better. My siblings help me with chores around the house, like setting the table or cleaning up. They also teach me new things, like how to ride a motorcycle or play a new game. I know I can always count on my family to help me when I need it.
Topic sentence. Family traditions we celebrate. My family has many traditions that we celebrate together. One of my favorites is our holiday tradition of decorating the house and putting up the Christmas tree. We all help hang ornaments, string lights, and put a star on top of the tree. We also have a tradition of cooking a big family dinner every Sunday. Everyone has a special job, like making the salad or setting the table. These traditions make our family time extra special and give us memories to cherish. Topic sentence. The fun things I do with my family. There are so many fun things I do with my family on weekends. We often go to the park where we play sports, have picnics, and enjoy the fresh air. Sometimes, we visit the zoo or a museum, where we learn new things together. At home, we like to have movie nights with popcorn, or we play board games, where everyone gets involved. We also baking cookies and trying new recipes in the kitchen. Spending time with my family